Zoho Assist is a remote support and access software designed to facilitate seamless remote assistance and troubleshooting. Here's how to use Zoho Assist effectively. Set up your account. Sign up for Zoho Assist and complete the initial setup by configuring your account details, user permissions, and security settings. Initiate remote support sessions. Start a remote support session by either inviting your customer to join via a session code or sending them a direct link. Alternatively, access unattended computers for ongoing support. Screen sharing and control. Share your screen with the customer to demonstrate solutions or troubleshoot issues. Optionally, gain control of their mouse and keyboard to perform tasks remotely. File transfer and chat. Transfer files securely between your computer and the remote client's computer during the session. Use built-in chat features to communicate in real time. Session recording and reporting. Record remote support sessions for training or audit purposes. Generate reports to track session history, customer satisfaction ratings, and technician performance. Customization and integration. Customize the remote support experience by branding session interfaces with your company logo and colors. Integrate Zoho Assist with other Zoho applications and third-party tools for enhanced functionality. Security and compliance. Ensure data security and compliance with features like end-to-end encryption, session logs, and permission-based access controls. Training and support. Access resources such as help guides, tutorials, and customer support to learn advanced features and resolve any issues.